This is a 5-minute mindful eating practice. I'm here to guide you through a 5-minute journey of reconnecting with your food and nourishing your body and mind. This practice is to be done with a small piece of food like a berry or a nut or a raisin. Something you can touch, pick up with your hand, smell, taste. So when you're ready, settle in, make sure you're comfortable, and just start by closing your eyes, taking a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feel the air filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Inhale again through your nose, filling up your lungs, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Now open up your eyes again and look at the food in front of you. Notice its colours, textures, shape, and take a moment to think about the journey that food took to reach your plate, from the earth to your table. Now pick up that food with your hands. How does it feel in your hands? Is it warm, cool? What's the texture in your fingers? And now bring the food close to your nose. Inhale deeply. Let the aroma fill your senses. What sense do you detect? Does it remind you of anything? Before you put the food in your mouth, just take a moment to appreciate the effort that went into bringing that food to where it is right now on your plate, in your hand. And now place the food in your mouth. Close your eyes. How does it feel on your tongue? What can you taste on your tongue? What flavors do you detect? Is it sweet, salty, sour, bitter, savory? Now chew that food slowly, mindfully. Notice how the texture of the food breaks down in your mouth. Pay attention to the sensations as you continue to chew. Notice how texture changes in your mouth, on your tongue, down your throat. Be fully present in the moment. Let go of any distractions or thoughts about what's happening next. Just focus on the taste, the texture, the nourishment this food is providing your body. Savor each bite. Stay connected to the experience. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to what you're doing right now. And as you swallow, take a moment to express gratitude for this food and for yourself for taking the opportunity to connect with your food in this way. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment. Now take one deep inhale in through your nose. Slow exhale out. Appreciate taking this moment for yourself.